thinking further.
What is up, my shredheads? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be riding the Sur-Ron with Barber Marv is already back there with Matt the Mechanic, so I'm going to try to catch up with him. Before we get started on this video, if you guys do want to support the channel, check out all those links down below, but mostly check out that link down below for Chai Battery Systems. Make sure you use code SHREDDIE, get 5% off your order. And if you're interested in the BAC 4000 from Greenline Engineering, check out that link down below. Use code SHREDDIE, get free shipping on your order. If none of these products are for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. So today I am running on 10,000 watts. I just put these Shinko 244s on. I used to have the Kenda Nabi tires. They were the Kenda Millville 2s. Oh, they definitely had better grip back here than these Shinkos. I think I just got to get used to them, guys. Ow! That's probably why we need pegs. Ow, my foot got caught. Oh, we're still going that way?
We're going to lose a lot of daytime, but I mean, we can.
What?
Like going through the woods like this because it's just slower riding.
I mean, I'd rather hit the dunes. Yeah, it's me.
We can hit the dunes.
Let's dune it up, guys. All right, we've made it to the dunes, and let's see if we can get lost today on these Sur-Rons back here and hopefully not get shot by these hunters out here. Oh, that's dangerous. Oh! Let's get the speed. Let's get the speed. Oh, you took my track, dude. You jerk. I'm literally flooring it through here. What the fuck? So crazy. He's like in this little valley. We're up in this huge freaking like sand mound pretty much.
Yeah. Better eat.
Holy crap, look at this big open field out here. Wow, even though I'm going slow as hell, this is so much fun. I bet you the controllers are gonna be hot after this. Man, maybe I should have kept the Kenda front for better steering. Why is there a volcano rock back here? All right, guys, I have no clue where they went. Getting closer to the trail. I'll find them guys here soon. Yeah. I did not expect that. And I've been here many times.
I won't stop to go tacos.
Nat Geo! It really does feel like National Geographic back here, guys. It's like a whole nother world back here. Meep, meep. Oh, this is definitely where these tires shine. On the street, they feel so comfy. But they definitely do pretty good off-road. Just on the sand, it doesn't feel as good as the Kenda Millville 2s. Do you guys want to go by Sleepies? They had like regular like people in there. They did not look like Secret Service. Oh, a deer! Deer! Wheelie deer! Dearly! Wow! Oh, hey! Bye, deer! Oh, wow! That is so cool. All right, 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 seconds, 8 seconds. Old spandex guy was wanting some Matt the Mechanic. Oh, oh, oh. I feel like Matt's gonna hit me with the wheelie.
I almost died!
Huh?
I almost died.
How?
My hand slipped down, so the throttle went further. I'm like, fuck!
Tacos or pizza, whatever. Wherever Marv wants to go.
Hey, I'm here with you guys. So wherever y'all want to go, y'all.
Yeah, you're our guest.
Get tacos!
Tacos! We'll see where we go. Tacos it is. Guess you can't go wrong with stop and go, huh? So what's going on, bro? How you been? Hell yeah, everything's going awesome, man. Bidia, bidia. Look, we have a special guest. Didi's here.
That's right. Great.
Oh yeah. This is the beginning. Oh, that looks fantastic.
With some chicken,
cook them up. Por hecho.
La consomé.
Consomé.
Oh, yeah.
Taco de birria.
Yes. That is awesome. Look at that,
That
guys.
smells so good.
My eye. Oh, let's get that dip in action.
Nah.
That's amazing. Hell yeah. These shrimp tacos.
The side of beans.
Tacos destroyed. Under pressure. Ding, 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 ding. Oh! The skills right there. If you guys are ever in the Rehoboth Beach area, definitely stop by Stop and Go Tacos. Bye, DD. We love you. Say bye, guys.
Yo, what's up? Yo.
Can anybody put me on the back of the bike and give me a ride home? Because I'm
I would love to film that.
yo.
But that makes for some great content on my channel. Somebody?
Oh, man, I walked over and I'm like, I already bought my beer. I'm white. I'm 57 years
What
old.
does white have to do with you?
That's racist.
Well, you know why? Tennessee. Hi. Sorry. But, you know, if I was like, oh, strung out on drugs or something, going, I need a ride home, that'd be one thing. Well, it's a little chilly, so I figured I would ask the ladies, and they were just really in it. Nope, sorry. She's too damn busy on her phone. And so I just said, I hope your car breaks down. I've lived in Delaware since '76.
I was born a few years after that, in 81.
So you know where Bay Vista
God, I
is?
graduated in '82.
Wow. I was a 1 year old.
Yeah.
Still living in Puerto
You were
Rico.
probably sucking on my nipple. In your dreams.
You can't touch this.
Can't touch this. Like,
Tight. It's like Los Angeles.
walk over there, and it's like, and you dumb motherfucking bitches. We're all like, nope. And then
Yeah.
she has like $1,000 phone in her hand, and she's got texts going from top to bottom.
$1,000? Mine's like 1,500.
Your phone?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's like literally a computer and it tells you like everything. Like it's like God
So
in your
does
pocket.
Google.
Yeah, Google is God in your pocket.
It controls your life.
It controls my life. Yes.
So what are you gonna do when the battery runs out?
Recharge it. Oh, that guy's got a pickup.
Oh, yeah.
You'll fit in there. He got 4 doors
Yeah.
or in the back.
Got plenty of room.
If I were you, I'd hop in the back and just lay.
Yeah, just lay down.
Lay and pray.
Is there a woman in the car though? Because it seems
No.
women are always.
Nah, I think it was just Santa Claus. What's better, weed or alcohol?
It depends on what the weed is laced with.
Just regular, really good weed.
What's better?
Non-laced weed.
Whites or
Well-
blacks?
None. There is no better.
Did you vote Brandon?
I'm from Delaware. Let's just put it that way.
Oh no, she Biden
Oh
supporter.
Hi, are y'all from Delaware?
Yeah.
no. Yeah.
Originally?
Puerto Rico.
Originally.
I'm Puerto Rican. I was born in Puerto Rico.
Well, then you should respect our American government. You know what Donald Trump is doing is he's fucking trying to keep you guys out from coming into the country, even though you are.
I'm Puerto Rican. It's legal. Now that's racist what you just said.
No, that wasn't racist.
I'm Puerto Rican. I'm not illegal.
But what I'm telling you is Donald Trump's trying to keep everybody
No,
out.
he's not.
What's the right one?
Trump putting up a wall so that
Exactly.
nobody.
It's to keep people like you out.
Trump.
Oh, your ride's leaving.
Oh, get in there. Get in there.
We gotta get some.
Can you give her a ride?
No, we gotta get sunset. first.
Bye.
A sunset.
She needs a ride.
Are you going to Bay Vista?
Hey, Vista.
Where's that?
Yeah. All right, Mom. I'll see you when we get home, all right? Dude, look at that freaking sun, guys. Wow. Later, Matt the mechanic. All right, let's turn on these bright ass headlights. Remember, I got the Fisher Fab in the middle and the LIGHTnMOTIONs on the left and right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is full high beams, full power all around. Now we have lights on the side in case any deer want to pop out or any kind of animals. Check out how bright it is back here. So glad I got the goggles on. Whoa, look at the sky, guys. That is unbelievable. Woo! All right, I'll open it up here. There's a little jump coming up. Oh, baby raccoon. Oh. Man, what a fun day. We got to ride the dunes with Bomber Marv, Matt the Mechanic. Guys, let us know what you guys think about this fun day down below in the comments. All right, Bomber Marv, that was an awesome ride, dude.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of that ride. And again, if you want to support the channel, check out all those links down below. So guys, I am starting to get a little more brave on the wheelies. I know there's a lot of wheelie masters out there watching the channel. So if you guys have any tips for Shreddie, definitely drop them in the comments down below. So if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next Sur ride.